2022 CR 3531W, State of Texas versus Jesus Perez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense.
Howdy. Joe Stenberg.
And are you Jesus Perez?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Jesus Perez who was placed on community supervision for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 to 4 grams, on April 12, 2022 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 4 in Dare County, Texas. The defendant, Jesus Perez, did then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of June and July 2023 in violation condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 6 years in prison and up to $1,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. It is to deny the motion to revoke and continue him on his probation and to have him mental.
Counsel, you said to deny and to revoke.
I did. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's okay.
Deny the revoke. Okay. So deny the motion, Your Honor. Sorry about that. Continue him on his probation and have him mental health screening and follow up with the recommendations.
All right. Is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Perez, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Jesus Perez.
All right. Do you have any mental health conditions?
Yes.
And what are they?
Just bipolar.
Okay. All right. The court will deny the motion. Alternate amend conditions to include MIC myelf evaluation. And that's to be done in custody. All right. Is there anything else from either side?
Not in the state, Your Honor.
No. Do you have any idea how long that takes?
If you speak with probation, they'll be able to tell you.
Right.
All right, Mr. Perez, from here, we're off the record. From here on out, you're going to have to do better. You need to communicate with probation. And if you're supposed to be on medications, I know sometimes medications cause side effects. If there are side effects, you need to let the doctor know so maybe they can put you on something else. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. 531W, State of Texas versus Jesus Perez. Can our parties announce for the record for the state?
U.S. Court for the state.
Defense.
Anita Perez for the defense, Judge.
Are you Mr. Perez?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Jesus Perez who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 3531W for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1?
Yes, ma'am.
1 gram to 4 grams? All right. Is there any motion or a motion to add to the allegation? I'm sorry, to add that Mr. Perez is on probation for possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams in the motion to revoke?
Yes, Judge. They would make more motion to add the 1 to 4 grams.
Any objection?
I don't know what's going on. Oh, okay. Got it. Yeah, that's fine. No objection, Judge.
All right. So are you the same Jesus Perez who was placed on community supervision in 2022 3531W for the offense of possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1 grams to 4 grams on April 12, 2022 for a period of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State.
Violating condition number 4 in Dare County, Texas. Defendant Jesus Perez did then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January and February 2024 in violation of condition.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
The state waives all the violations.
Any objections?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to $1,000 fine and 6 years in the prison? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge. The proposed agreement is to deny the motion, alternate include ISP and referral for the drug court long custody.
All right. So here's the court's question. He hasn't been seen since January. Where has he been?
I defer to my client, Mr. Pettis.
All right. You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. If you can state your name for the record.
Jesus Perez.
All right. Where have you been?
I have been working and it was vending as a vendor in the Mexican restaurants selling palm leaf crosses. I make the crosses out of palm leaves and the leaves, and that's what I've been doing. Just minding my business, going to work and staying with my friend Irene in her house, and I've just been staying back and forth with that address that I gave you for probation. And that's what I've been doing. I've been staying clean, sober.
Well, we don't know if you've been clean or sober
Of course,
because you
I
haven't been reporting.
Yes.
So I don't believe that.
Yeah, you would have to assume the worst, of course.
No, it's not an assumption of the worst. Part of people, if you're in your sobriety, then you follow through on your commitments.
Correct.
You didn't report. So I know you were probably still using. That's why you didn't report.
Yeah, just if I may. So my client was supposed to report as part of a DDRF MIC program. I think my client obviously is someone with a diagnosable mental illness. He does have diagnosis for bipolar and what else did you say?
Oh, and major depression, schizoaffective.
And schizoaffective disorder, Your Honor. I know that he made some attempts and he did not have a phone. I don't know if the court.
But didn't he have a car?
No, Judge.
Well, how did he get to his work? Was his employment outside his house?
Yeah,
Walking
he just
bus.
walks, Judge.
Wait a minute.
There is
He
a
said
witness.
walked in bus. Then why can you take a bus to your probation officer?
With excuses.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, Judge. And with respect to our witness, Irene, I've made several attempts to contact her and I have not been successful. Otherwise, I would want some further testimony for the court. All I can say is that I don't know if he would be a good probationer. Mr. Pettis has never been to prison before. He has obviously, I don't know if the court has the report from the PSI. He's only had some misdemeanors. This is obviously, it will be his first felony. So I would hope that the court would follow our agreement and our understanding that he should be given 2 years to do, Judge.
All right. So here's your choice. Sometimes I can give people choices. Sometimes I cannot. Do I think you need inpatient treatment? I'm sorry. All right. Do I think you need inpatient treatment? Yes. And probation, did they confer with you?
Yeah, that's why I'm a little confused, but
Right, because
that wasn't.
right, I understand.
All right. So stop. We're on the record. So probation, what were you saying?
I thought that we had agreed. There was some miscommunication, Judge. So when defense and I spoke, she asked that if I agreed to the revocation,
That's correct.
and we did agree. But I think it was miscommunication with defense and state.
Right, Your Honor, because I think originally that's asked by all this recommendation. That's where I asked her to speak on Sean.
Okay.
And I think that might have been the miscommunications there.
All right. So this is what the court will do. I'm going to give you a choice. Right? You can either do 4 years in the prison or you're going into inpatient treatment and it's not ISF. So I can either, I will refer you to Safe P if felony drug court does not accept you, or you can do 4 years in the prison.
What do you want to do? I mean, I don't know how long Safe P is for.
He's 6 months and then 3 months aftercare. And that's inpatient.
Will I continue? Will I still be on probation?
Yes.
And then the 4 years.
Or either 4 years prison and you're not on probation. You're going to go to prison for 4 years.
Judge, I don't think that's fair. I mean, I think
I'm giving him a choice.
I understand, Judge.
So what's not fair is
he's a first-time offender. You know,
he's on regular probation. He already has a felony conviction. I'm giving him a choice. He can either do 4 years in the prison or either he can do inpatient treatment. Those are his choices. I don't know what is not fair about me giving him a choice. Inpatient treatment, which is what they're recommending, or 4 years in the prison. Those are his choices. Like, that's what you all came up and agreed to with me. You said, we agree ISF. That's inpatient.
And that was our agreement, Daniel. I mean, we talked about the time. We talked about a time offer, and I asked Rashawn if she was fine with that, and she said she was fine with that. So I don't know why.
And again, my understanding, I just remember asking to pay with recommendation. I asked if Sean agree with that. That was what I asked.
I guess, John, can we confirm?
Yes.
We don't have an agreement, Judge. Okay.
Yes. Are you all ready?
No, we just wanted to talk to the court for briefly. Daniel. Well, they already know. This is kind of the rare occasions where the client is adamant that he's not using drugs. He's been in
I'm
custody.
sorry, what?
The client's adamant that he's not using drugs.
All right. So here's, I
And-
understand
no,
what you're
but with
saying.
that, no. And let me just proceed, Judge. So with that, I asked Daniel, and I talked to Sean about it too. He's only been in custody for about a month. Is the court amenable to order follicle testing for him?
No. I mean, I'm given a choice. Here's the
Well,
thing.
no, I know, but
Yeah.
just to, I mean, it's more scientific evidence for the court.
No,
You know what I
because
mean?
let me just tell you, he was supposed to be in felony drug court, but felony drug court was at capacity.
Right.
He has been missing since, what was it? January. Here we are in August. I've given him two choices. He can either do 4 years in the prison or either he can do felony drug court. If felony drug court doesn't accept him, he's going to safety. Those are his two choices. I'm not doing a hair follicle test. You don't get to come in and say, hey, do this or do this, because he's been missing. He hasn't
Right, but
reported.
he's somebody with mental illness, Judge, and I think that can be mitigated with that, Judge. I think there's a lot of fear of the court and, being indigent, not being able to have a phone. I mean, I completely understand, not being aware that there are programs out there that can help you get a phone. I mean, obviously I shed light on that with
Well,
him
see, here's
today.
the issue with that. The issue with that is,
And I'm not a social worker. You know what I mean?
but here's the issue with that. I tell everybody who's placed on probation here, if there's an issue, they can come into court and let the court know. So he knew that. And he just chose to disappear since January. So those are his choices.
And is the court amenable to allowing a tap to be done while he's in custody?
Here's what the court is going to do. He can either go to prison for 4 years, or he is going to felony drug court, or either he's going to safety. Those are his only choices. That's where we are. So I don't know what else to tell anybody. So the only thing I need is a decision from him on what he wants to do.
Well, no, Judge. So I think it's probably best for me to just subpoena the probation officer's records, because I do believe that there are.
I am not resetting this case. I'm not giving any more settings in this case. This case has been reset and reset and reset. So we're proceeding.
It was recalled.
All right. So he's entered his plea of true. Mr. Pettis, if you can come down, please. We're back on the record in 2022 CR 3531W, State of Texas versus Jesus Pettis. Mr. Pettis, you have two choices. One, you can either go into inpatient treatment or felony drug court. If felony drug court accepts you, they may decide to place you in inpatient treatment. They may not decide to place you in inpatient treatment. They have a dual diagnosis program where they'll take care of mental health if that's your issue, if they accept you. They don't have all the funding. They don't have all the probation officers they need. Somebody needs to write their legislature and tell them, hey, these treatment courts need more funding. If they do not accept you, you're going to safety. You understand? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Or if you want, I can sentence you, excuse me. Or if you want, I can sentence you to 4 years in prison. Which do you prefer?
really didn't know.
All right. So, Mr. Pettis, here's the thing. It's your choice.
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you want treatment or do you want to go to prison? Now, if you go to prison, they have a therapeutic community. Maybe they'll let you in the program. Maybe they won't. But you have a choice. Treatment or prison. Which do you choose?
I'm trying to. It's hard for me to make a choice because I really don't know what the consequences are going to render.
All right. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a choice for you. Court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. Court is going to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include a referral to felony drug court that's in custody. If not accepted, then safe P. All right. And we can go off the record. Here's the thing, Mr. Pettit. If you think about it and you say, you know what, I should have just accepted the 4 years in prison. Guess what? Let the probation officer know. We'll bring you back and I'll give you 4 years. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So here's the thing. In this court, to be successful, communication is key and you must report.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you and God bless you.
Oh, thank you. God bless you too.
All right. I'll do this.